There are many heating pad products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best heating pads from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Boilo Electric Heating Pad. Rating 4.4. The extra-large heating pad for the back features 3 fast heating settings, 104 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and more dense heating wires, ensuring the heating pad heats up fast and evenly, effectively relieving your body pain or fatigue. The large heating pad for back pain relief is controlled by one button. You can easily set and enjoy the heat therapy relief. The heating pad for back pain relief is made of soft crystal fleece, providing a super soft touch feel and keeping heat better. And the extra-large heating pad is hand or machine washable. Before cleaning, just detach the controller cord from the heat pad and gently wash it. With a 10 feet long controller cord, whether you're lying on the bed or couch after working, yoga, running, swimming, or any other exercises, this electric heating potty's large for back pain relief can and be a good friend for relieving muscle fatigue and pain at home or in the office. Enjoy relief anywhere you want. Number 4. Pure Enrichment Heating Pad. Rating 4.4. The 20-inch by 24-inch size provides maximum coverage for your back, shoulders, legs, abdomen, and more muscles to relieve aches, stiffness, and joint pain. It's a natural, drug-free way to temporarily relieve ongoing pain. Feel the heat within seconds with InstaHeat technology. Use the ergonomic LCD controller to choose from 6 heat settings ranging from 105-140 degrees Fahrenheit. The automatic shutoff timer prevents the pad from overheating after 120 minutes to conserve energy and provide worry-free use. This ultra-wide heating pad can be used for dry heat therapy or moist heat therapy. For moist heat, simply dampen the pad with a spray bottle for deeper heat penetration as you relax. Gentle, machine-washable microplush fabric feels soft and comforting on bare skin and offers maximum comfort for daily use. The 9-foot cord allows you to adjust positions and pad placement with ease while relaxing on your bed, couch, or office chair. Number 3. Vaughan Heating Pad. Rating 4.5. Perfectly sized at 33 inches by 17 inches, it comfortably covers large areas like your shoulders, back, abdomen, and legs. It heats up quickly to provide consistent, comforting warmth that helps dispel chill and promote a general sense of well-being and relaxation wherever you need it most. An ideal companion for cozying up at home, in the office, or whenever you seek comforting heat. Exclusive ultra-soft flannel material feels comfortable on the skin and conforms more closely to the body's curves for added warmth. 130W power and 2025 upgraded built-in heating wire technology with denser heating points ensure that every corner of the blanket is heated quickly and evenly. Fast heating with 6 levels of temperature adjustment, which range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, allows you to experience a temperature better suited to you. The upgraded controller has various safety certifications to ensure that the temperature is within a safe range and avoid accidents caused by overheating, providing a longer service life. Number 2. IkeFit Portable Heating Pad. Rating 4.5. Even heat helps support healthy local circulation and ease stiffness. Vibration relaxes sore muscles and reduces tension, and the dual strap wrap adds lumbar support that keeps warmth flush and on target, so it works like a heated back brace as you move. Use it as a heat-only back heating pad, or add vibration to double as a back massager with heat. Effective for everyday lower back pain relief and sciatica discomfort after long working, sitting, or driving. Wear the front zone over your stomach for menstrual cramp relief. The broader area warms more angles than other menstrual heating pads, so warmth feels steadier and you're more comfortable. Flexible for comfortable movement. Easy to pack. Rolls up quickly into your tote or gym bag for on-the-go relief. The wearable heating pad you'll use on cold mornings, on long drives, or as a portable car heating pad for travel. Number 1. Electric Weighted Heating Pad. Rating 4.6. This heating pad incorporates cutting-edge material into the inner fabric, allowing it to heat up quickly and distribute heat evenly across the surface. This superior thermal conductivity ensures rapid and uniform warmth, providing fast relief from aches and pains. Its super soft, fine, and dense plush material offers a gentle touch for maximum comfort. The built-in overheating protection ensures safe use by automatically turning off the pad if it overheats. Whether you're using it for therapy, relaxation, or as a thoughtful white elephant gift, this heating pad delivers both comfort and safety. The menstrual heating pad for period cramps is machine washable after removing the controller. Place in a laundry bag, avoid excessive folding/twisting, and hand wash recommended for longevity. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.